Good evening, guys. Welcome back to another ChartNerd TA update. I'm going to dive into XRP today, and I just wanted to get into some TA amongst all this madness that's going on right now in the markets. Just try and keep a cool head and hopefully look at some lows, some bottoms here, which might offer generational wealth and opportunities that may never come around like this again. Okay, so just looking at XRP since its inception here, and this was the 2013 bull run high, and it came up and it coiled up in a massive horizontal triangle here, and it absolutely exploded. Now, what you can see is from when it exploded back in 2017 in that bull market, okay, it actually created a high, came back for support, and then created the all-time high, which currently sits at around $3.20, the $3.20 area, right? Okay, so within that, what I wanted to show you guys, it basically is right here is a foundational level of support that XRP has actually held, which is at 16 cents since 2017. So what happened is you can see we had that last blow off explosive top, okay, in 2018, and then it came into its bear market, okay, bear market structure, it lost support, okay, and look where it came back to and found support in 2020, okay, in late December 2019, 2020, right around the same area of 16 cents. Okay, so potentially what could be happening here is, again, look, you can see you came up here, came back, where did you find support? 16 cents. We could potentially be coming up here. This is some sort of, look, this is some sort of descending triangle right here, okay, and you're in a technical target from here to here, which let me get that right, from there to there, and you can see that it brings you back down to this area. Okay, guys, so let me just clear that up a little bit because it is a little bit messy. But as I've mentioned, okay, you've got this area here as support, okay, 16 cents, 16 cents, okay, 16 cents, and it's been foundational sort of support since 2017. Okay, so if anything, if you do start to see a bit more of a rollover here for Bitcoin and the rest of the markets, then we're going to be coming down. Again, just to make this clear, you can see that potentially what this has been here is a descending triangle. Okay, on the monthly time frame, you're in a technical target from this. I'm going to go from the wicks. Okay, the wicks will make it a bit more accurate. From where we've lost support, okay, you can see, look, boom, bang, roughly bang on, it brings us back down to that 16 cent area. Okay, so if this is the capitulation stage and things do start to turn really bad, that's a good area you could find support on. Okay, not financial advice, but from this is bear market structure. Okay, it's a regular bear market structure that Bitcoin's putting in, but from the recent price action, there's nothing else different. You can see that you've lost support here of a descending triangle. Okay, everyone thought that this was some sort of ascending triangle where you're coming up and coiling up and it turned out it wasn't to be, unfortunately. Okay, so my thoughts are, if we do come back down here, potentially what's happening is you're still forming this massive cup, okay, and this huge handle. If you come back and form a higher low somewhere higher than the 16 cents and actually start to march on, then potentially that's where you start to see the structure picking up again. But in the short term, honestly, guys, I think we are still heading down for further lows. Let me get a fib on here on the weekly and see what will give us some sort of prediction. So you can see, right, what I think's happening currently, right? Okay, so back in on the 1st of March, or is it, yeah, around end of February, March, we came up to 90 cents, didn't we? Okay, and then we started retracing, and we was retracing to this 54 cent low. Now, what you can see is we came up, we got rejected, okay, and then we ran into the 0618 here at 66 cents. We wicked it and then absolutely just capitulated. And we've met the 1618 target at 39 cents, okay? We're currently above that. We wicked lower to 36, but we're currently sitting at 40 cents exactly right now, which is the 1618. So further downside that could be expected ahead in the short term, we could potentially say, if I look at, I think it's from this high down to this low, because you can see here that it came up, ran into the 618, came back for support, came up into the 618 again, came back to support, and then broke out. Okay, so potentially you're retracing, we've retraced back to this low here. We've come up and retraced to that currently. So if we start coming up now and running into these EMAs, this is potentially where we see rejection and start coming down to these lower lows. And I think what was the area I was looking for? Right, here we go. This is the area I think I was looking at. So from this high, okay, retracing to this low, okay, because this is where we came back to support on the 20, broke out, and had that impulsive move. And then since then, we've been retracing towards that, okay, and that's where we're sort of heading, I think, the 33 cents area. And if that gets lost, you've got the 1272. These are my key targets if we do capitulate a little bit further. Okay, 16 cents, as I said, is the 1414 here and ties up bang on. You've got 20 cents above, and equally, we've still got 33 cents that we need to lose. But you can see these are areas on the charts that tie up with fib levels, and you know, I would expect some sort of bounce either way, whichever one it comes down to. Okay, and then you've got this nasty wick down here which ties up with the 1618 at 11 cents, you know, and that's where it gets really horrible. But these are my predictions, really and truly, guys. Again, if we drag that, oh gosh, yeah, just moving forward, that's what I'm looking at. But yeah, that's a little update for you guys. As I've mentioned, the technical target of this descending triangle roughly sits at a price of around, what did we say, was it 16 cents, didn't we? Okay, so that's what we're looking for. We're looking for something like 16 cents, which is foundational support over multi-years for XRP, and I think that will be the worst case scenario. Yeah, take care, guys. Until next time, peace out.